I probably prefer to make cappuccinos.
Cappuccino.
Because they're always, they're because there's always more coffee that goes in. There's always 2 shots that goes into cappuccino. Lattes are always 1 shot.
Okay.
Okay?
So, do you mind that you do some explanation during making coffee?
Sure. Yes. Yeah. So obviously this is yeah, I don't even know what to call this. The thing that you actually put into the machine, you know, it goes like that. But first we need some grains. I don't have any in there. So what we do is the beans go in on the top. You fill it up in the morning.
Yeah.
And press the button, and it will go through the machine like that. Little handle there, pull it out. So it should be about there, see? But you always run your finger over it like that. And then press it down. Tighten it up. Make sure.
So every type of coffee made it's a normal
Americano?
Americano.
Yeah, that would be an Americano.
So you put the same amount of this.
Put water.
Yeah.
Put water in half to about there. And then you put this in like this. Press that, and that's an Americano.
But this amount of coffee is required for every type of coffee. I mean
Yeah, we've got, this is 2 shots, 1 shot. Yeah, okay. But it's the same coffee, but obviously the 2 shots is more coffee, so it's you'll get a double kick. Yeah. So that is a little bit lighter for you if you prefer that.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So for cappuccino, I would put that in there, put the mug under there, and then press the button, and it will come out. See, that's coming out a little bit fast. Can you see that? Yeah. But it's okay. It's not too bad. And you can see that layer on top of it. That's a creme. That's what it's supposed to look like. If it looks completely black, then it's too watery. Okay? And then milk. Use a little bit like that. And then steamer.
What is that?
Steamer?
Steamer?
Yeah. So this is the one that steams the milk.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you steam it for too long, it will burn the milk. And as soon as it starts squeaking a bit too much, then it's finished. So if it squeaks too much, then you're burning the milk. See? I always check in my hand the temperature on it.
What's the temperature?
You don't really know. That's the right temperatures, as long as you can just feel it a little bit.
Oh.
Okay? So it's not burnt, it's okay. Yeah. Some people like it really, really hot, so that's okay.
Does it make difference in the temperature of the
Yeah, it
air?
does make a very big difference. So you don't want any bubbles in it.
Oh, yeah.
No, it needs to be smooth. And then, when you get ready to pour it, so you get a little, always like that.
Did you practice how to make it like
Yeah. You can do all sorts of shapes if you want. And then on a cappuccino there's always chocolate, and you can do it whatever you like, the style you like. So there you go.
So great.